Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JAGX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 40 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 40, I am not saying the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to somehow stay up above 40 cents, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at the previous breakout point, and that sits right at the 32-cent mark. So 40 cents and then 32, two of the near-term areas of support. Taking a step back and looking at all this from more so the big picture point of view. So this certainly assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period moving average. I get it, that line's way down there. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying up above 40 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. In terms of where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now, and that seems to be right up there at the 50-cent mark. I realize the price did actually go slightly up above there, but a couple other times didn't quite hit it. So the main point here is that the general area of price congestion on the day definitely seemed to be right around the 50-cent mark. So that area will be public enemy number one going forward into Tuesday. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on chipping away and building those higher bases, like it essentially did all day long today, then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. But very nice way to start off the week. Let's see if the bulls can build on this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.